welcome back to another video of this tutorial series. So today we'll see how you will be able to manage the roles here. So the roles you see, you have already seen how it changes from student to teacher, and in case you want to go back to teacher to student, you can always go for that one. And even you want to go for assign any higher role like the manager, you can also go for that one. Now these are not just the role you can manage from here only. In case you have to go for the system level roles, that will also be visible or applicable within this course. So how the system level roles work? So if you search here the roles, you find assign system roles. System means whichever the role you assign on this, that will be applicable throughout the system. Suppose I am assigning a course creator role. Let me come up here and I am going to pick a one user. Let's say this is the user, or let's say S115. I am going to assign as a system role, course creator. Then this particular role will be applicable, will be available in all the cases. So if I come back here within this course and refresh, and if I try adding that particular user here, the role will be automatically coming up. Okay, so if I come up here this and enroll, and you see here on the apart from the student I just enroll, it is also taking the course creator role because that is the system level assignments. All right, and since this is a dummy user, your mail is a temp email, so I am going to remove this particular role from here. Okay, so this is, and you will not be able to manage basically because the system level role will only be managed through the systems here. Okay, so you can manage only this the role who have here you have manually assigned. So I have assigned only a student from this particular page, and you don't see the remove the other role from here. Now if I remove the student role, what will happen? If I save here, now you see the course creator role only be applicable within this course because the one I assigned the role, the student one, is removed now. So this is taking from the other system level requirement role assignments. If you want to delete from here, no, let's see, you want to delete from here, let's see what will happen. If you delete from here, that means system level assignment is gone. And if you refresh, so user will be within this course but with no role. That means nothing will be happening at this particular user end. If I try login with this particular user, I'll log in as, let's see how it goes. Okay, so my courses, nothing is happening. Okay, so required field I will have to pick, otherwise I will not be able to move ahead with. Yeah, so under my courses, I don't see the course I am assigned within. Why? Because I don't have any access within that. But if I assign back the student role, then only I will be able to see that. Okay, so this is the one user yeah, this is the one. No, not this one. Okay, so here under the participant, again I am going to assign back the student role. Okay, so now you see how you will be able to play around the roles. So again I am assigning a student back. So these are the role how you will be able to manage, and even the role assignment can be done from here as well. Okay, so let me try adding here the role. Let's say manager I am going to add for now, and try uploading this one. Okay, so here under upload, oops, so reload, browse, choose file. So what will happen in this case? So this particular role will be assigned to that user. Role is not a valid one. Okay, So I'll have to make it role 1 because role may be multiple, so that is why it is taking as an error here. So choose file again, example this, override load user. Now you see it's coming the role 1. So here steps remain the same as earlier, so add a new user and update the existing one for, yeah. So now you see the role, there was only the one thing here, enroll in this as a manager, you see. Okay, so if you go back here on this course, you'll find for this particular user you'll have the multiple role. Correct. So this is how you'll be able to manage the roles from here on this page and from the CSV as well, and from the system level role as well. This is all from this video. Thank you.